Hashtag not sponsored. When it's raining outside, you gotta do inside work. So today, I'd planned on making a recipe, ran out of time. So now I'm gonna try and fix one of our 4 kitchen chairs. And as a house spouse, sometimes you have background noise. In this case, the dishwasher's going because part of my monthly household maintenance is running a cleaner through the dishwasher. In this case, something like this. So I have this set of open and closed end wrenches, or open and box end wrenches. This is the dreaded metric, but I find it much easier to grab these because they're all together to figure out what size I need to go on the nut. And in this case, I do not have metric sockets to fit. I did also grab a number 3 Phillips head because that also works over there, but turns out they're the same size. I just assumed I would need wood glue. Turns out I will test out the Loctite, see how that goes. So let's get to work. Alright, so I went ahead and took this one out. Now I could glue here because it's wood to wood, but because this is a mechanical connection, see, I've got a washer and a lock washer on each nut. Because it's mechanically connected, I'm going to just use some of my Loctite and see how that goes. Let's get you a better angle. There we go. And just ignore the Lamborghini over here. My son turned 10 yesterday and he wanted a Lamborghini. I just leave mine in the package because it's always easy to lose these. Not too worried about dripping on the underside. Now I just put a drop on here. No need to be excessive. This stuff will last you a good long while. Now I'm assuming these go into metal inside the chair because it's what it sounds like. We will find out. One general rule of thumb I've learned from my father is, when you can, start your nuts or your bolts or screws or whatever you can by hand to make sure you don't cross thread them. And then when you go to tighten them down, do your best to tighten them evenly. This is really a good thing when it comes to tightening lug nuts on your car tires. The work of a house spouse is never done. Alright. Thanks for coming back and watching. This was just a short, quick episode, I guess, on the House Spouse channel. And speaking of never being done, I still need to go to the dump and pick up a kid at school. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.